YESCOO heat installation silicone repair mat. As you can see, it's blue and it's very rubbery. First, we have here the circuit board location area. Basically, this is where you put your tablet, logic board, phone, computer, and this is where you work on it at. And over here, we have 124 screw placement. You can put, the screws that you unscrewed from the device, put it right here and keep track of it from 1 to 124 screws. And then on the right, we have 3 magnetic parts. This is what I like about the screw, the part placement over here. This is what I like about it. It's magnetic. Only three parts of this side is magnetic. This part, that part, and that part. And then up here, we have where you can put, the tools that you're using to fix your device. You also put tools up here, have them standing up, so you can be ready to pick whatever you're ready for. We also have another placement. And then over here we have 3 compartments where you could store, bits that you're using or screws, anything like that. You can store them right here. And all you have to do is make sure you push down just a little so it can collapse and hold. And then we have more parts where you could put, openers. And then up here on the left, we have another screw or bit placement where you keep track of your screws from A1 to A42. Keep track of your screws from all the way to there. And basically that's it on this repair mat. It's fire. Other than that, it's fireproof and very durable. I tried So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and see you on the next video. Peace out.